How to draw a biking dog. Start sketching the dog and the bike with very simple lines. Use spheres and stick figure for that. Now let's start adding some details. On top of the stick figures, add where the legs are going to be, add the saddle. Go through the whole body and add details as you go along. Let's have the dog flapping his tongue in the air and flapping his ears. We have the sketch almost done from the ground. Now we're just going to have some fun and add details. If you're not good drawing bikes, you can just imagine how a bike looks like. After adding some details, let's clean up the helplines. We don't need them anymore. And let's refine the character with a thicker pencil. When we draw the wheels in motion, it means that we can add some lines to simplify the motion and to make it look as if the wheels are moving. That's why we don't need to make the wheels completely perfect. They're even better to have them a little skewed. Now let's add shading of the clothes of the dog. Let's have them some biker clothes. Adding shading makes the material look of a different color when you don't have colors at hand. If you draw with pencil, shading is the way to go if you want to make a difference between different materials. We add some shades on the dog to make him look more three-dimensional. Now we can add some background, some lines that make the dog look as if it's speeding. We add some puffs of dust and we are done. Subscribe for more fun tutorials.